Christmas is fast approaching and December is a 5-Friday month, so we have even more great videos launching every week. To get us in the festive mood, we have Valerie Nesbitt's lovely Christmas table runner patchwork project, so you can have an extra special look for your dinner table this year. Christine Porter is back in the studio, showing us how to put labels and quilt sleeves on our projects to help keep them safe and properly hung when we lend them out for exhibitions or competitions. Quilter Lucy Engels is back with us, sharing how a favourite song by Talking Heads inspired one of her brilliant and original quilt designs. And our Tip Thursday for December features Claire Campion, showing us how to use a hera marker in our fabric and stitching projects, a very useful tool indeed. And just before Christmas, our traditional festive trip to see Delia Salter's remarkable shipping forecast, realised in fabric and stitch. Created as a series of 31 large collage strips and representing all the familiar names of the sea areas we can hear every day on the actual shipping forecast. It's a Justhands-on.tv Christmas tradition that you don't want to miss. Finally, we have our introduction video to the Jelly Roll Mystery Quilt, where Valerie Nesbitt outlines what you'll need to sew along with her when the series is launched, all 10 parts, on January the 5th. A great excuse to buy some extra fabric in the Christmas sales. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.